What up guys, this is What's Short, and today we're going to go over the Magic Mouse. So when opening this, the slowest opening possible, we obviously are greeted with the mouse itself. Charging's in the back, flip the switch, and underneath all this is the wire. Nice little black cable. How you hook this up to the computer is you plug this into your computer, you plug in the mouse, and it will just automatically connect it. Then all you gotta do is flip the switch in the back on and off, and it will start to work. Now, how good is this thing is the real question. So obviously scrolling up and down is this way. You can even use it to slide your mouse over to the other screen from your iPad, and if you guys want to learn how to do that, I have a video up on my channel for that. But not only can you do that, let's say we go into something like this. Now, you could also do this and slide over and back if you wanted to do something like that with this Magic Mouse. I think it's really cool. I think this thing has a lot of interesting features on it, and this is the USB Type-C to Lightning, but this is no different than the one that's just completely USB Type-C. They're the same design, just the charging port is Lightning instead of USB Type-C. Same ones. This doesn't make a difference to me. The charging is on the bottom, which is a little funky, but it's not bad when you have this fully charged. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment and like, and I'll see you guys next time.